I got content for them. The viewers, I got some content for them. Hello, people. Good mornings. Another beautiful day. Yeah. Hope your five senses work. Health and strength is good. Or excellent. What? What's up, Steam Deck fans? Steam Deck Tribe, Nation, Universe, World, Legion. What's good? Mob, what's happening? Squad, what's up? Nerds, geeks, and freaks. And you investigators. And all you portable PC lovers. Logitech, Lenovo, Odin, Oxo, ANEO, 1X, GPD, what's happening? Orange Pie, MSI Claw. Oh yeah. And by the way, Nvidia is trying to come out with a handheld too. I got a video done for that already. I had it done yesterday. So I'm going to flood you guys today with videos. So by 10 o'clock, you'll be see a whole bunch of videos just coming out. But anyway, let me do this. Oh, and you Starfield fans, I got you covered. Let's not forget about you guys. Okay. All right, what do we got? Oh. Okay, what's up with the Steam Deck? What's going on here? Let's see what we got here. Yeehaw! All right. Okay, let's see. Whoa! All right. Okay, Valve, we see you. Okay. Steam OS 3.5.17 brings a lot of bug fixes plus Persona 3 reload improvements. Excellent. Anyway. You Steam Deck fans are getting spoiled though. Spoiled. Anyway, what do we got? It says here, Valve has released the latest stable update to Steam OS for the Steam Deck, and it includes quite a healthy dose of bug fixes and general improvements. It says here, this is quite a bumper update that includes Wi-Fi fixes, HDR improvement, incorrect gammas when streaming games, multiple performance improvements, and Persona 3 Reloaded, and many other bug fixes. Nice to see all the recent beta version now rolled out for everyone. Remember I told you to keep your storage in check? So did you put that 2 terabyte SSD in the Steam Deck? Did you? Alright. Anyway, general fixes. Whew, this is a big list. Alright, let's see here. Fix black screen when launching Forza Horizon 4 on other Steam Deck and other titles on Steam Deck OLED. Fix an issue where modifying settings in desktop partition manager could prevent the SD card from being mounted and visible in Steam. Fix an issue in the desktop mode where dropping a folder on the desktop would erroneously create a shortcut for every item within the folder. Says fix a crash when streaming to from the deck with Steam Remote Play. Add a timeout to the boot section screen. Fix a Wi-Fi crash occurring where certain bands would cause the driver to attempt to set an incorrect spatial stream count. Add a slider to control the brightness of the status LED charger LED. The setting can be found under Settings Display. Fix a case where Wi-Fi would fail to connect in certain conditions. Fix a possible session crash when mounting an HDR display. Fix a rare session crash on application exists. Then it says improve handling of GPU crashes. Alright, now for performance. That was general, now for performance. Okay, multiple performance for Persona 3 Reloaded. Fixed performance overlay display GPU clock speed as an instantaneous measurement rather than the average, resulting in misleading numbers. The matches behavior of Steam OS 3.4.11. Improve a situation where a game frame presentation could look because of buffer submitted by Steam or other Windows, removing a potential source of game stutters. Add an additional frame timing plot to level 4 performance overlay when the frame limiter or VSync is enabled. This shows timing of when frames are flipped to displays rather than application side of rendering times. Fix an issue causing stutter in certain games that buffer multiple frames in advance. Miscellaneous compositor performance improvements. Reduced stutter when the upscale filter was set to FSR or NIS under the high GPU load. Fix an issue regarding frame pacing and stutter, especially affecting some external displays. Fix displays sometimes getting stuck at 60 Hz after returning from sleep on Steam user interface UI. Says here, fix an issue where a core could be stuck at 100% CPU if game window closed in an unclean way. And that was it for performance. Now, graphics. Fixed HDR on some external display DisplayPort display being slightly desaturated. Improved gamut mapping for HDR titles on the deck OLED. Fix an issue in certain HDR titles wherein wiggling the cursor on the same frame or closing the game would cause incorrect color in subsequent game launches. Fix incorrect color gamma when using Steam in home streaming. Fix consistency of application fade in, fade out. Fix slightly blurry image when streaming from the deck with Steam Remote Play. Alright. Input. Improve controller mouse keyboard emulation when Steam is not running, including vertical and horizontal scrolling support on left trackpad. Add support for the HyperX clutch Gladiate controllers. Fix a system restart when Joy-Con controllers are connected. Slightly improved corners track on Steam Deck OLED trackpad. Fix a problem with overlay noise level for trackpad pressure sensor. Affects only certain configuration. So you got general done, performance done, graphics done, input done, and now for firmware. Firmware 120 LCD, 107 OLED. You Steam Deck fans are always getting spoiled, man. Spoiled. Anyway, says here, fix several USB compatibility issues. Developer notes this changed the default USB mode back to XHC, I think 1, host only, and then says, while issues with dual rolled device mode are investigated. Yeah, you Steam Deck fans, you're covered. Yeah. Alright, now let's see what else we got since we talking about the Steam Deck here. Updates. Oh, by the way, for those Windows handheld, when Microsoft release an update for Windows, oh yeah, or whether Nvidia release an update, you guys benefit from it. Believe that. All right. Man. Whew. Okay, SteamOS and Proton. Huh? All right. Here's another one. Proton experimental fix up Tekken 8, Cosmeteer, Call of Chitlu, Warframe, and more. Says here, after recently updating Proton experimental to be based on the new Proton 9, Valve ended February 2024 with another bunch of bug fixes for Proton experimental. Here's all that changed for the February 29 update. Fix audio stutter in Viking Battle of Ashgard. Fix main menu not looping currently in Call of Chitu. Fix wine vertical desktop mode not working. Enable Navapi for the finals. Fix a few Proton 9.0 regression, and the following games are playable again. Tom Clancy, the Division, and Warframe. Fix Tekken 8 reporting wrong connection type if both Wi-Fi and Ethernet are present. Fix fonts rendering in the Cosmeteer on Steam Deck. Fix random crashes in Cosmeteer. Fix Russian and Hebrew fonts. rendering in Simon the Sorcerer 25th Anniversary Edition. Yeah, you guys are good. All right, now what else we got? Since we talking about okay, I already talked about the Steam. I could go over it again if I want to. Let's see here. We talk about the ooh. Okay, gaming on Linux. He went a little deeper with this. All right, wow. All right. He said here because I just did a video on it, but I'm gonna do it again. He says Steam had a bit of a scam problem with fake Helldiver 2 in Pal World. Not the first time it has happened, and likely won't be the last unless Valve improves some more security checks. But recently, a few games tried scamming people by renaming in other popular games. I've seen this a few times now, although it suddenly comes in focus again because the games being imitated were current massive smash hits. The CEO of developer Arrowhead and the Helldiver 2 creative director wrote on a post on Twitter. They call it X, but I like Twitter, noting that they were aware of store dupes posing as Helldiver 2. There was also a post on X, Twitter, from the community manager at Pocket Pair, developers on Pal World, who also spoke about the recent fake imitating Pal World 2. They've been known to remove and hidden from the Steam store, but thanks to SteamDB, we can go back and look. A game that was previously called Do Not Smile, renamed to Helldiver 2, and even changed the publisher and the developer to match. It's especially nefarious because the now hidden Steam page clearly looks like it was Helldiver 2. They even copied some of the recent new posts. Another game, Figure Frugality, did the exact same thing. Then the game Stolen Mushroom, which attempt to be Pal World. There may be others, but I could find quite easily as an example. And it shows the page. And then it says, as you can see from the above shot of SteamDB, the developer changed basically everything they could to make it seem like their game was Helldiver 2. And when you look at the store page, hidden but still exists, it certainly would look like Helldiver 2 if you weren't properly clued up. And then it says, of course, now there is no purchase button since it's been hidden. But you get the idea. The Wayback Machine archive show it didn't have purchase available before being hidden by Valve. It seemed quite easy to do so, as apparently Valve don't have checks in place against this. I've reached out to Valve to see if they have any comment to share on what they will do in the future to protect developers and customers from scams like this. Alright. Yeah. Be careful, people. Be careful, viewers. Be careful, this is why I like to do the weekend PC deals. I like to read from the list to show you what's on sale. Yeah. Anyway, all right. What else I got? And we got anything else? Okay. And then say game over for Roblox on Linux Steam Deck as it's now blocked. It says, well, there it is. The update for Roblox has arrived that now forcefully block it from working with Wine on Linux system like Steam Deck. It's been a bit of a saga. It's been a bit of a saga, hasn't it? Roblox has always been somewhat iffy to play on Linux, at times being broken, while people working on the likes of Grapefruit and Vinegar and Vanguard repeatedly kept up with the changes to make it work. The Roblox developer then introduced Hyperion anti-cheat software, although they continue to make it work unofficially with Wine, but that wasn't to last, as developer explained that it has caused cheating. Yeah, go ahead, blames. They always try to blame the Linux community. But anyway, and then it says, despite what you may think of Roblox and its history and had plenty of problems, as one of the biggest gaming platform ever, it's certainly a shame to see it go. There's plenty of people out there that have Roblox as their main thing, and so not being able to do it on Linux is quite a loss. Any game that intentionally prevents it from working on Linux is a loss, as it's just increased the uphill battle Linux has as a gaming platform. There's not exactly many accessible alternatives to it for Linux fans. Now, any alternative for people looking, let readers know in the comment. Okay, let me see here. Well, look, Linux gamers. Okay, you. At first they had Pokemon, right? But now we have Pal World. So a game that's similar to Roblox can be made. So and can be made to run for the Linux gaming. So Roblox is let me say it like this. Roblox is not the end all be all to that type of games. There's plenty more games like that in the pipeline. I mean, coming down the line that can replace Roblox. So Roblox is not the end all be all to that type of game. Okay. Anyway, keep moving. Let's see here. Anything else? No, that's it. And anything else I got for you Steam Deck fans, I'll let you know. Tomorrow the weekend PC sales is coming, so once I get the list, gather all the lists, then I'll read them all to you, let you know what's on sale. Oh, by the way, the spring sale is coming, so keep that in mind too. Today is March 1st. Yeah, get ready for that one. But other than that, man, you guys should be good. News, deals, games, update. I'll keep you guys posted. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Nice talking to you people again. Chris, still Star Wars and Star Trek thing, or Dark Side. Go. Peace. Uh-oh.